Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize profiles on Corsair Nightsword. And to do this you'll need to download iCUE software on your PC. You can find it on the official Corsair website. And inside, when you open it, we have a home and there's profiles. So click on this arrow and here you'll be able to create new profiles with this plus button. You can customize the image, add your custom image. Also you can zoom in, zoom out, do whatever you want. And there's the option to change the color, static one color for that profile. Now let's name it. Click on create, and then now this profile should be visible right here in the list. And in case you want to remove any of the profiles, click on these three dots and then select delete profile. Click on delete and it should be removed from your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.